All right, so on this one, I'm showing the shape of Kansas. Jesse Kozlowski's already done it, so I'm just repeating what he did. So we'll just do a let him talk for a little bit, and then I'll show you what I got in Civil 3D.
Z coordinates, and then my feature code or my descriptor. So let's go look at, I'm going to open that file, and I'm going to open it with, I like to use TextPad a lot, but I'll just use Notepad here. Control-Shift-End, and copy. So let's go to filters. Here, I'll show you what I loaded in there already, but I'll show you how it works. Let's look north. There. North is that way. Can you see the curve? Do you see it? Looks curved to me. One thing's for sure, it seems to be a big rectangle. It's a curved rectangle. Alright, so north is that way. Can you see the curve? Utah salt flats, rooted next. I forget how to do that here. Go that way. Leave them and...
So anyways, he's got a lot of interesting stuff. I'll leave the link in the description.
Them into the software that I use called Trimble Business Center.
Okay, so let's go to NGS. So all the points come from here. Which we're using XYZ coordinates. So in Kansas. So I took all these points where they did. And so I basically just copied it from what they have here. And then I got it myself. So anyways, so here's what mine looks like. So I have that, and then the PNT for the description. So we just see negative 99. So we see negative 99. I have this same thing. So here's mine. But I even did triangulation to it. So you can clearly see that it fits the curve. Exactly. Okay, so let me go more in depth into it. So let me delete it all and report it in. Alright, so I have to create a database open. So we're going to delete Kansas. And then surface. I still got the boundary of it, which is pretty cool to look at it this way. You can actually see the curve really well. So zoom it down here, so my flat, let's get a flat portion of it. So there's it's definitely curving. Alright, so points. I'm going to import my points. Next. Kansas, open. PNEZD. Alright, there's all my points. So now, it's, I'm going to show this. This is the boundary. So I went to, that's my arc. So that's how I got the arc, is I got the delta between those 2 points. Let me go to dim style. Put it in decimal. So I got 5.77. And then I got the length, which will give me the mid ordinate. And that's what I got right here. To give me whatever that distance was. I just extended it. So let's just see if that's right from those 2 points that I picked. Okay, here's one of the points. Getting the right orientation here. So I picked the GK0948. And that's over here. It's like reversed. I do it the other way around, but it's still same results. Okay, so from that point to this point, let's see what that distance is. So I got properties, and its measurement is 399 miles. Okay, so if I measure just straight through, just a straight line, which I get 399. Okay, so let's do the arc one. Arc length. So it's 398.9, so it's 399. Okay, so now let me show that first. Let me get into the plane here. Go nearest to here, and that's the line. I want that thing on top. Alright, let's isolate this so we kind of know what we're working with here. Like this line I really don't need. Okay, so that's from one side to the other. To 5.77. Alright, so let's see if I can get a better arc. Let's go from the bottom. No, still that's fine. So we'll do a circle. 3958. I already did this. That's good. So we'll go miles. 3958 to meters. Copy. So I'm going to radius. It's just about right in the center. Pretty close. Alright, so then we do the other side. Alright, so we have two circles. So I want to do a circle from that when they intersect. And then do that. Erase these two. So it should hit both of them exactly now. So that's the one I calculated, or yeah, it's there. Okay, so as what you'll notice is these points follow that line perfectly. The ones on top there. Like none of them go above it really. And it's not a, you can see it's curved. And that's 39.58. So, view, we just added in the triangles now. Oh, I want to turn that on too. Alright, so we just show it this way too. You can definitely tell that it's following the curve. This is all to scale. Matter of fact, I use the ellipsoid. Where's So I use this, so I don't use the perfect sphere. I use the ellipsoid. So that's what I use. So that's anyway. So I took some of this. So that's Kansas. Pretty cool. All right, so now let's add a surface to it. Point group. Kansas. Apply. So I'll get my straight edge here. And you can definitely tell it's curved. So, um, yeah, that's perfect. So that's why I got red and blue right here. Because I got one as a perfect circle and the other one working as the ellipsoid. So, yep. So Kansas is flat, but it has a lot of curvature to it. And there you go. Thanks.